Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today's video, I am bringing to you another class competition, and this one's pretty cool. Today I'm going to be showing you the no tire or no wheel robot race. It's a really cool competition. There's zero instructions, and your students will just have to 100% figure this out themselves. If you want to hear about this competition, stay with me.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
Okay guys, so the no wheel, no tire competition, it sounds like just what it is. My students are gonna have a race with their robots, and they cannot use any of their wheels. They can't use gears. They can't use anything that's already circular in shape. Can they make something that's circular in shape? Yes, but they cannot have their motors like going straight into a tire, a wheel, a gear that's already circular. They're gonna have to figure out, how do I get my robot? And the course is gonna be 9 feet long. So the robot has to go 9 feet. And you can do this a couple of ways. You can have your class compete against each other. Because my class is so all over the place and not everybody's ready to do this competition, I'm gonna time them. And I'm gonna have a list of everybody's times, and we're gonna see who's the fastest robot just from their time. But it's a really cool project because my students who are just normally used to page after instructions, now they're actually sitting there going, what are we gonna do? And they're really problem solving. What I love about it is they're experimenting, and I'm hearing, things like, well, that's not gonna work, or this was a fail. And it makes them go back to the drawing board and just come up with a better idea. So it's a really neat project because my kids, number one, love to compete, and a lot of them, again, are not the page by page instruction. They want to create their own thing, and you're going to have that a lot in robotics class. You're going to have those students that will say, oh man, I got to follow some more instructions. And so that's why I like to mix it up. So for those of you that are wondering about my curriculum, I try not to put too much page by page instruction. Like I'll do a project with instructions and then break it up with a competition like this. And then we might go to something like Insane Soccer. And then we might go to something like a board challenge, and then come back to the instructions, just so that they're not seeing and doing the same thing over and over again. So if you're wondering what this might look like, I got one video to show you where this team already got timed, and it successfully made it from the start to finish. So let's go ahead and roll the tape. Okay, the cabinets are gonna help you out. It still looks like an insect. Because they always find the edge of the wall to crawl on. Okay guys, so I told that team, I said, it looks like an insect. You know when you get those insects in your house and they love to just crawl along the edge of the wall? But they had a big laugh out of that. But that team was successful. And so that's the kind of thing we're looking at, where the motor will make something move the robot along, but it's not a wheel, it's not anything circular, okay? So good luck to you guys. For those of you that would try this out, let me know what other things I could possibly add to this. I guess I'm kind of glad that maybe it's good that the robots are not side by side, because I could see them crashing into each other. So it might be better if teams just run their robot one at a time, and you guys can come up with the confinement. I made it 9 feet, but we didn't come up, with a width rule about it. So you might set up some boundaries. I don't know. If my team, if they went past a certain point, they'd run into the table. So that would be their problem right there. But good luck to you guys if you're going to try the no wheel, no tire robot race. It's really cool. I'll be in the next following weeks show you more compilations of other people's robots, okay? All right, guys, I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.